Hello my beautiful subbies and welcome newbies. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and also turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. So this is going to be a really simple tutorial. It's just going to be a bun tutorial. I'm not really sure what kind of bun it is, but I posted the picture on Instagram yesterday and a few of you asked for a tutorial. Let me see if this will even show up. Well, it's this picture on my oops, wrong way. Is this picture on my Instagram? Of this perfect bun I did. I don't even know how I got the bun to be so perfect, but I'm going to try to replicate it again today for this video and show you guys how I achieved this perfect bun. So my hair is in a different type of bun today. This is how I slept because it was in that bun yesterday. So my hair is already kind of laid just because my hair was already previously in the style. But just as a little preface of the state of my hair was in a braid out. It was not in its natural state. It was in a braid out. So it was easier for me to smooth it down and capture it all up into the bun, and it elongated my hair as well, which made my bun so big because, you know, braid outs kind of stretch out your curl pattern into like a uniformed wave, if that makes sense. Let's jump right into this tutorial. So the products I'll be using is Talia Wahid's Curly Curl Jello. I'll be using Eco Styler olive oil, water, of course, and I'll also be using a soft bristle brush and a mascara brush, or a spoolie in other words, for my edges. And you'll also need a scarf to lay down, you know, your hair, and bobby pins to hold your bun back. So I'm going to spritz with water first. And I like to have the little side pieces, you guys. You know how you have like two little curls hanging down? So I'm going to grab those now so I don't put them into my bun. So I'm going to spray a little bit more water. Then I'm going to take this curling jello and rub it into my palms and then apply it to my hair. So I'm going to take a decent amount, put it all over. It smells so good. It's like perfume for your hair. I'm going to take my soft bristle brush and I'm going to start brushing just to smooth everything down. Smooth everything back and down. Then I'm going to get the Eco Styler and do the exact same thing. Take a good amount, rub it in my hands, and apply it everywhere. And brush it. You want everything to be nice and smooth and sleek, so it's really important that you brush down your roots. And it's also important that you use water to help the product to do what they need to do. And also to hydrate your hair, of course. when you tie your hair up, you kind of want it to be more so in the front of your head rather than back here, you know what I'm saying? So you want to tie it off up here. Alright, so let me go ahead and get it up. Alright, make sure you pull your hair all the way through. So you should be at this stage where it's looking crazy, but your hair is all up and your ponytail is forward. So you want a really full bun. So what I do is I just kind of stretch this hair out, and I'll add a little bit of water because this is really old hair, so I want to keep it moisturized and hydrated. So I will add a little bit of water, but you don't want to add too much to where it'll shrink your hair because you want your full bun. So spritz some water on it just to loosen it up and add moisture. So once you get to this stage, you're going to kind of split it down the middle in a sense, and you're going to take one side and kind of just bend it back like so, and then you want to repeat the same thing on this side, but you do one side at a time, and you have to bobby pin it as well. So I'm going to get my bobby pins ready. And I'm going to go ahead and actually think I want this to be over here. So how I usually start is on the end part. I will put that back first. Pin that part back. Alright, so my bun is finished. I will turn around so you guys can see the back. Alright, so once that's done, I am going to lay my edges down with my spoolie. So I'll take a little Eco Styler and just lay it along my edge line all over. And then I'm going to fleek my edges. Alright, so once I get to this point, I'm going to quickly tie my hair down before things start popping out of place. And when you tie your scarf, you want to make sure you get the back as well as the front. So I'm going to leave this on until I'm ready to go out, and then I will come back and show you guys the results. But before I go, you got to do something with these. So I add a little water from my fingers, and then I take a slight little pinch of Eco Styler, and I lay them down right at the root. And then I kind of just trickle down and let it be. Alright, so I took off my scarf and voila, my bun is done. I just laid. So this bun's not too hard. You kind of just have to play with your hair until you get your bun into the shape that you desire.